guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I take you guys along as I restyle my entryway and give it a makeover and a refresh. As you can see, I don't have that much space to work with as far as the entryway. I do live in a single-story home, so I don't have that much space to work with as an entryway. But I'm going to share with you all some decorating ideas of how you can style your entryway with the space that you're given and still make it look luxurious and elegant without doing a whole lot to it and working with the space that you are given. So if that's something that you're interested in, then just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I'm going to start by sharing with you all my new item that I added to my entryway. I found these beautiful teardrop mirrors at Kirkland's, and I absolutely fell in love with these mirrors. These mirrors, when I first saw them in the store, was like months ago, but they only had like one in stock at my local store. So I've been waiting for these mirrors to come back in stock for a good while now. So finally, when they came back in stock and they had more than one, I absolutely jumped on it. I love the way that it looks. I love the elegance that it brings, and it just adds so much sophistication to the space, and it adds that wow factor. So I absolutely love it. The next thing is I went in with these beautiful vases that I found from Burlington Coat Factory. I love the silver and the white detail in it. I love the texture that it has on there, and I thought these would be absolutely lovely on my sofa table. And all I did was went in and add these beautiful purple flowers that I already had lying around the house, and just to add a little bit of my color scheme that I've been doing throughout the spring and the summer throughout my house, which y'all have seen this beautiful lavender color. So I ended up picking up 2 of those vases. So I'm going to add 2 of those vases. I'm going to add a vase to each side of the sofa table. Now, as you guys seen before, this sofa table I had for many years. I love it. It's natural wood. I love the cherry wood color that it has on there, the espresso wood color that it has on there. I'm sorry, but I absolutely love this table, and I had it for many years. And I think it just adds a nice little touch to the silver and the white that's going on in the rest of the room. Next, I'm going to go in and add some texture. I found this beautiful circle piece at Burlington as well, and I thought it would look nice up here next to the vases. It has the silver color as well as the white accent color as well, so I thought it mirrored well and went well with the decor. I love to style with coffee table books. I think coffee table books just add a glam element to the design and actually just adds a more sophisticated look. So I love styling with coffee table books, and these are some of my coffee table books that I absolutely love. Elements of Style and Homebody by Joanna Gaines. I just love those books, so I'm just going to use those there. And then I try to style my coffee table books to get books that are matching my color scheme. So here I'm using the black and white and gray as the accent colors for this look. And here I'm just making sure everything is even. And I try to style my coffee table books in sets of 3, just to kind of add some dimension and height. Next, I love scented candles. As you can see, I'm in the back sniffing this beautiful candle that I end up getting from Burlington as well. And I just love scented candles. I think it adds a nice little coziness to your entryway, and it just absolutely makes your room smell good. So this is in Midnight Breeze, and it absolutely smells amazing. It smells like fresh cotton or something like that, and it really does smell amazing. So I thought that would be a cute little element to add to my entryway. And I love the packaging on this candle. It's in a pretty kind of like frosted gray color, and I thought that would add like a nice beautiful touch to the decor as well. Okay, you guys, and this is how everything is looking so far, you guys, and I'm absolutely loving the way everything is looking. Now for the bottom part of my sofa table, I always like to add in a nice decorative basket and a nice throw pillow to kind of add some more layers to the decor as well. I found this beautiful throw pillow from Burlington. I love the glam look it has on there. I love the beads that it has, and it absolutely looks gorgeous. So I thought that would be nicely paired with a nice fresh white linen throw blanket. I thought that would add a beautiful touch to the sofa table as well. So I'm just going to add that down here on this bottom shelf. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Trina, and on my channel I share everything home decor and lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider hitting that red subscribe button. And make sure you turn your notification bell on so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, next you guys, I'm going to add this decorative tray that I got from Amazon. You guys have seen this tray before. I've styled with this tray in the past, but it's a nice marble tray, and it has silver and gold accent pieces in there with little birdies on the side. I just absolutely love the way this tray looks. So I'm just going to add this to the bottom of my sofa table. Just going to add this beautiful greenery that I got from Burlington as well. It has the silver flower pot that I thought was absolutely adorable, and it has some kind of green boxwood leaves that I thought will look cute, really cute on top of this marble tray here. So okay, you guys, so this is how the bottom part of the sofa table is looking, and I'm absolutely loving the way everything has turned out. If you guys are enjoying this video and you want to see more videos like this, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. I'd love to have you on our decorating team. And if you are a returning subscriber, I thank you all for all y'all love and support, and I will see you all in my next video.